This is at the top of Newbury. It's a little area called Churn. It's mainly, no, it's not mainly, it's only farmland. And we are going to head back onto the railway bed and see if we can find the platforms at Churn. Okay, we're down now in the track bed. That's the lower Churn bridge. And as we head this way toward upper Churn bridge, I think this is it. Yes. The remains of the island platform at Churn. It's not as intact as I'd hoped, but we'll go and have a quick look around it. There's more bits of broken car. It must be a thing. Yeah, that's the platform edge. Get a train to Newbury from here. It's originally here to serve the army barracks that used to be up here. But yeah, they've all gone. Churn is all gone. Quite as intact up here as I've been led to believe, but then it was from a source a couple of years back. It's quite a long platform. It's a request stop, from what I remember reading. So that's it. I think that is pretty much it. The remnants of Churn Halt. There we go. Oh, don't trespass on the tracks, whatever you do. So if you can see, just it's a bird scarer going off. Well, I think it's already gone off once since I've been up here. Yeah, keeps birds off the tracks. Must have been so desolate up here when this was open. Absolutely middle of nowhere pretty much. You know, you've got farmland that way for about 1.5 miles to Blueberry, and then you've got the Ridgeway over there. So yeah, apparently all they had here was a toilet and a small waiting shelter, and that was it. There is a photo, well, a drawing on the internet called Churn Station. It's got this big picture of a grand old station house, really, and Churn was really nothing of the sort. I think maybe I've over-romanticised this a little bit in my head. I'm not disappointed, but I found it. I've been here now, I can say that. But yeah, there's really not much else. It's funnily enough, it's like the most intact part of, you know, the railway other than the bridges. This is it. Bird scarer. I'm not being shot at, I hope. Off we go again. Right. So I think we'll call that a day. Thank you for joining me on my little expedition. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe and take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.